Hello and welcome to optinMonster. In this video, we're showing you 11 ways to grow your email list for free. Jumping right in, our first strategy is to add a call to action to your biography. Take advantage of your social media biographies to include a call to action to sign up for your email list. Remember to be clear and concise in your biography about why following you will help them in their lives. Number 2 is to pin a tweet with a call to action. Did you know you could pin your most important tweets to the top of your feed? Pin a piece of original content or a lead magnet to the top of your feed to drive your Twitter followers to your email list. Number 3 is to create a call to action post on Instagram. For this option, you can create a nice image with text speaking about your lead magnet or call to action and make a reference to your link in bio to send your Instagram followers over to your email list sign-up page. Number 4 is to set a call to action on your Facebook page. Facebook makes it easy to include a sign-up button for your email list right on your Facebook page. Take advantage of this to send your potential subscribers to your highest converting lead magnet. Number 5 is to create a subscribers-only Facebook group. Encourage signups to your email list by creating a Facebook group that only subscribers can belong to. Facebook groups are great at building community and giving you another way to offer additional value to your subscribers and customers. Number 6 is to pin your call to action to Pinterest. Pinterest is an incredibly powerful visual search engine that is great for marketing. You can use a free tool like Canva to create beautiful, pin-worthy images to go along with your calls to action and pin away. Number 7 is to use Instagram Stories. If you have more than 10,000 Instagram followers, you can use Stories to use the swipe up option, sending your followers straight to your lead magnet or email sign-up page. For less than 10,000 followers, simply direct them to the link in your bio. Number 8 is to create original content. One of the most classic ways to gain email followers is to keep a consistent blog. Remember to include various calls to action such as the top of your blog and at the end of every relevant post. Beyond building your email list, this practice will also help you show up in search engine rankings. Number 9 is to offer lead magnets and content upgrades. Offering lead magnets and content upgrades are a powerful way to grow your email list because of reciprocity. Because your email subscribers are getting something in return, they're much more likely to give you their email address. Number 10 is to upsell upcoming products. Another free way to grow your email list is to let your customers sign up for a Notify Me email for upcoming products, sales, and offers. And finally, number 11 is to optimize your About Us page. If a visitor is looking at your About Us page, it's pretty safe to assume that they're interested in learning more about your brand. Just add a simple blurb about the benefits of doing business with you and include an opt-in form to generate new subscribers. Before you go, don't forget to sign up for our free gift to you, 12 proven ways to convert abandoning visitors into subscribers. Learn how to unlock the highest revenues from each of your website visitors.